Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to export your contacts data in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Here in the Contact section, click on Menu. Then, click on Export. Click on Export once again, and select either Get Link or Download to download an Excel file containing your contacts data. There you have it. You just learned how to export your contacts data. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.